I'm Ignacio. Today I'm gonna show you how to get to Switzer Falls. Coming on the 210 freeway, exit Angeles Crest Highway. Once you exit the freeway, drive towards the mountains for about 9.5 miles, and then you will find the entrance on the right hand side. If you wanna watch the complete video of the road trip, I have another channel that shows only that. Please check it out. On the weekends, it gets very busy and crowded, so you might have to park all the way up here. But the actual parking lot is going down this road for about a quarter of a mile or so. I heard from fellow hikers that the cars got broken into, so do not leave any valuables on site. You're gonna need a National Forest Adventure Pass to park here. On the description of the video, I'm gonna leave more information. Please follow all the regulations and do not leave any trash behind. There are restrooms by the parking lot and also a nice picnic area. We're gonna start on the Gabrielino trail. Today's hike is about 4 miles total with an elevation gain of 700 feet. Best time to do this hike is on the springtime and the summertime. On the winter it gets too cold and you run the risk of getting trapped on a flash flood. Please be careful. I hope that you're enjoying the video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your support. In about a mile, you will find this sign. The trail continues on the right. But we're gonna explore a little bit on the other side. That way, it will take you to the upper part of the waterfalls. It is a less traveled part of this place, and there could be some poison ivy and snakes. Watch out for them. To get down there, we have to continue on the trail. That's actually our final destination. I'll show you the way. Back to the main trail. The first part was going downhill, and over here we're gonna go uphill maybe for a quarter of a mile. In about 1.3 miles, we're gonna find the split of the trail. On the right hand side is the Gabrielino trail, the one we were on. And here we want to switch to the one on the left, which is Bear Canyon Trail. From this point we get spectacular views of the San Gabriel Mountains, but also there's a couple of spots that are very sketchy. Please be extra careful. You don't want to be too close to the edge. That part over there is right next to the Lower Switzer waterfall. It is the way to the Upper Switzer waterfalls. I'll show you later. Then you're gonna get to a set of switchbacks and start descending to the canyon. Once you reach the creek, we're gonna go to the left against the current of the water. If you're gonna be hiking on the summertime, on temperatures above 80 or 90, do not do it unless you bring plenty of water and you find a place like this so you can cool off. Please be careful, don't risk yourself to dehydration. This is the path to the upper waterfalls. It's actually very sketchy, so please be extra careful. We are going to continue on this creek for about a quarter of a mile to get to the Upper Switzer Fall, the one we saw from the top. playlists with rock pools and waterfalls only, click on the link that's going to appear on the screen to watch them. Thank you so much for your support. Until next time.